End of the week.
Hi Jen, that's right. So a nice quiet, settled weather trend, which I think will suit many of you over the coming days. So we've got largely dry conditions. Those cloud amounts will tend to vary, but I do have a bit more sunshine featuring in the forecast. I think the afternoon temperatures will feel quite pleasant where you do have some sunshine, but quite chilly nights where we do get those clearer skies. So tonight there is an opportunity to see a meteor shower. So this is caused when Earth passes through the debris of a comet. As that debris hits the Earth's atmosphere, it burns up because of friction, and we get to see streaks of light across the night sky. Problem is, I think it will be too cloudy for some of us, but if you do manage to catch a glimpse, then do send some pictures in to the BBC Weather Watchers gallery. So this evening then, I think we're going to see a lot of cloud across the country for the most part. We will start to see some cloud breaks, but just like the last few days, where that cloud is thick enough, there's going to be some spots of rain and drizzle, chiefly across the northern half of the country. With those clearer breaks and some lighter winds, some mist and fog is likely going to develop, and overnight lows down to around 8 to 12 Celsius. Into our Friday forecast then, where we start off with some reduced visibility. That will improve. For a time, once again, there's going to be some spots of rain and drizzle. But into tomorrow afternoon, very much an improving picture. So becoming dry for the vast majority with some bright or sunny spells. There will still be some areas of cloud around too, and temperatures much like today, around 15 to 18 Celsius. The winds typically light, locally moderate, feeding in from a northwesterly fashion. Into this weekend then, high pressure very much building in, so that will influence our weather in the form of dry, settled conditions for the vast majority. Not many isobars on the charts too, that suggests some lighter winds. So Saturday morning then, where we do start off with some mist and fog, that could be quite slow to clear. But once it does, there will be growing amounts of sunshine. So a pretty pleasant afternoon on Saturday, actually. Again, those temperatures typically in the mid-teens, not too much of a breeze around either. Sunday, I'd say, is a repeat performance. So again, any of the mist and fog slow to clear. Once it does, a pleasant afternoon expected, more in the way of sunshine, some patchy fair weather cloud. Temperatures typically in the mid-teens, and the outlook is looking promising too, largely settled. That's your latest. Jen.
Sabrina, thanks.